Good morning and welcome to my channel, and thanks very much for being here. Today I'm doing a flip through of my autumn English journal. However, it's middle of November and it's not really quite autumn. We're heading towards winter and Christmas, so I've at long last got this finished. So the closure is this topper that I made in Laurie at Enchanted Dreams 71's challenge. As there was a topper challenge. I will list the video below so you can go and have a look. I just put a simple picture on the front. If you've seen the previous video of how I started putting this together, this is wallpaper. And then I've put some calico on the inside. And here I've put this is from the Digital Collage Club, obviously a piece of Edith Holden book page. This again is another video I've done of little booklets out of vintage book pages. And then this is a page from the kit that I've just inked up as another extra journal space. And this is the beginning of the signature. I've just done one signature. And she does have, the kit is from Polka Art Studio. And she does have a lot of sort of decorated pages like this where you could write as well. That's from the kit. This, I can't remember. I found it in my stash. And the quotes are from Artie Mays. And a piece of Edith Holden book page, an envelope from the kit with a journal card, and then I've put a rustic paper clip with some sari silk on the side and a piece of my faux washi. Pages from the kit, book page. These are leaves I've come from a die from Tim Holtz. Tea dye paper from the kit, a vintage envelope from 1971, German. I've left that plain for writing, and this is some French dictionary book page, a journal card that I've put in from the kit, and another card there I've backed. And what I've been doing is using scraps to back up some of the journal cards in here. Again, this is from the kit, and then the same over this side. And I've edged these journal cards in gold. I've forgotten the name of it. Inca gold, that's it. And another journal card there, and then some fussy cut from the kit. It's a gorgeous kit. Very old English cottages and country lanes. Some ledger paper with tea-dyed ledger paper with, this is acrylic paint on there. And again, this is a page edge that I've made. And again, I've got another video on that as well. I'm beginning to use my pieces. Page from the kit. Just a scrap of tea-dye paper and a page from Edith Holden. And then here I've made this was from Yvonne at Memory Journals by Yvonne. And it's a coin envelope, and I've attached a journal card to the front, then put it onto the flip here. So you've got quite a bit of journaling space, and I haven't put anything in there. Page from the kit, and again here this is a page from the kit, and all I did was actually cut out an extra page for the pocket, so the design is the same underneath with another journal card there. Orange doily I've put in with a rusted paper clip, one of the pockets from the kit, and this is a tea-dyed index card, and I've just put a fussy cut on there. Another tag. This is vintage book page. I can't remember. I'm trying to read the language. I think it's, oh no, that's an encyclopedia type book. In the middle here, and then on the little dangles, I've got a squirrel and a tree of life hanging down, and this is a gorgeous double spread here. This I got as a card, and I've left it open at the top to put something in. I thought it went beautifully with this kit. Little field mouse with the blackberries. Someone sent to me. Tea-dyed paper, page from the kit. And again, this I was sent. Not sure where it came from. Whoops. I can't remember. So I thought it went quite well in here. This is one of my clusters. Again, there's a video on that as well. And in here, I've got a couple of, this is from the kit, and I can't remember, that's out my stash I found. So they're in there, and that's just attached with a rusted, whoops, paper clip there. Right. Page from the kit, Edith Holden, and again another page edge that I've made from fabrics. And in here is a pocket from the kit, and that's on the other side of that small piece of tea-dyed paper. And I've put a tea-dyed index card, a paint chip that I've embossed and then sanded a bit, and it's a rose, one of the Tim Holtz rose dies, and a tag from the kit. More pages from the kit, and the ledger paper with the acrylic paint. And this pocket came from the actual kit, so it's a 3 pocket. And what I've got is, again, this is from the Digital Collage Club, a scrap I had left over I made into a tag. Put a nice bow with the sari silk there. This was a file folder that came with the kit. I double-sided and put in there. And then these are journal cards and tag from the kit. More writing space. And this is another file folder from the kit. And in that I've put a tea-dyed library card. So there's quite a bit of journal space in the end in here. As I say, you've still got spaces like this to journal in as well. More tea-dyed paper. And the other side of the fern page, and I've put a pocket from the kit and made a tag out of some book page I had left over from wild and field animals, something like that, in England, UK. Page from the kit. And then if you remember, this again is a journal card. I've got a video of this as well. I will link all these below so you can take a look. And then we're at the end where I put in a piece of vintage maths paper from a book, piece of Edith Holden as a pocket, and then this came with the kit, these cottages, and so I just made a 3-fold. So again, you'd be able to write on here. Oops, that way around. And that's the end. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button or notification bell. It'd be great because it all helps my channel. And thank you once again. Hopefully I'll see you again soon and you'll check out those other videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.